Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to use Bing Chat as a Swedish translator. So, let's dive right into it. To get started, open your browser and type bing.com. And if you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do so before we proceed. Imagine effortlessly translating Swedish content into English using Bing Chat. It is easier than you might think. Just contribute your Swedish text to the chat, then type "translate this in an English" and hit enter. Observe as Bing Chat adeptly conveys the meaning of Swedish words, smoothly translating them into English. But the journey through language doesn't stop there. Even if you are curious about Swedish equivalent of an English term, the process maintains its allure, just as before. Say, "translate this to Swedish," before inputting your chosen English text. Watch as Bing Chat responds adeptly, providing the precise Swedish translation. While Bing Chat's capabilities are impressive, it is important to remember that accuracy can vary, especially in complex or sensitive contexts. Seeking a second opinion for important decisions is a wise consideration. Thank you for tuning in. You are now equipped to use Bing Chat as your Swedish translation tool. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.